So, good morning, students. This is class third C. Class third subject GSC and date is 19/4/2021. Day is Monday. And lesson first, living and non-living things. Lesson first, living and non-living things. One line, it is better to write in a single line. Lesson 1. Living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. In this lesson, last time we have studied about the living things, properties of living things. I have also given some questions. So we discussed in detail about the living things, breathe, and like today living things need food. Next one, the living things need food. Next property, living things need food. Living things need food. Every living thing, that way plants and animals, they need food. Without food, living things cannot survive. Food is necessary for living. Food provides energy to help in the growth of our body. So plants make their food themselves by the process of the photosynthesis, while animals depends on plants directly or indirectly. Animals cannot make their food themselves, so they directly or indirectly depends on plants for food. You know some animals, herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals and omnivorous animals. Herbivorous animals, you are familiar to cow, goat, buffalo, and which take their food from the plant, eat the plant and take the nourishment. And also see lion, tigers, etc. These are carnivorous animals. They do not eat plants, but they directly consume flesh of the animals. In case of the human beings, dogs, crow, kite, these are etc. These are omnivorous animals. We are also animals. So they can take their food by eating plants as well as flesh of the animals. So these are the omnivorous. So omnivorous can eat both plants and flesh of the animals. But in case of the non-living things do not require the food. They do not need the food. You know, the chair, table, etc. They need the food. Buses need food. No, they do not need the food. So non-living things have no need food. Only living things have need the food. Now next one, living things grow. Living things grow. Plants and animals are living things and they grow. You have seen some plants are very small and due course of the time they increase in their height and the breadth. In the same way, you can compare events yourself. Initially you are very small and in due course of the time you become big in size, and more as time will increase you will also increase. But growth in plants is is unlimited, but growth in the animals will be limited. It is another matter. So in one word, living things having growth while non-living things do not have growth. It is another matter that stones increases in size. Oh, listen the name of kidney stones, gallbladder stones, they increase in size, and other stones also increase in size. But here growth is due to adhering of the particles. They increase their size. But living things, growth is always internal and due to the division of the cell. While animal, now next one property, living things move. Living things move. You know that living things move. Living things can move. It is not compulsory to move the living things, but living things can move. Why they move? They move in search of food, for protection themselves from the environment or from the predators and other things. For the mating, they move from one place to another place. In case of the plant, you see, plant cannot move, they remain at one place and spend their life. So in this way, plants can move and not move. Plant parts move, as you see. In case the pistia that move, that float on the surface of the water. Pistia. So living things can move on their own. Animals move from place to place in search of food, water and shelter. Most animals move on their legs. Birds fly in the air using their wings and walk on land using their legs. Fishes use their fins and tails to swim in water. Snakes travel using the bony blades under the skin. And movement in plants is different. They do not move from one place to another. Only their parts. So movement, some flowers open in the morning and close at night. The sunflower turns towards the sun, and non-living things cannot move on their own. Car, buses are moved, but they do not move their own. So two properties remains to discuss these two properties. Thank you. That's all.